Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina. For those of you who are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video here, and to all my subscribers, welcome back. As you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a gratis haul. So let's get started. So I have some goodies. So the first thing I pulled out is this Bare Minerals Rescue Kit, and this is from Bare Minerals, obviously. And inside of it is a little paper with their rescue kit line. There's a tissue. Everything says Bare Minerals on it. A mint, nail file, a band-aid, and a little hair tie. So that's cute. It's so hot, by the way. All right, so I'm gonna do skincare first. First thing is from Dior. It's the Dream Skin Advance Global Age Defying Skincare Perfect Skin Creator. I'm not sure how to use this product, to be honest. All I know is it's super expensive because Dior is expensive. It's an anti-aging treatment. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I love skincare. From Carez, I received the pomegranate AHA's and enzyme resurfacing mask, and this is for oily to combination skin. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it. I actually really do like it. So this stuff is kind of like a quick exfoliator peel. One thing I do like about it is it's a 3 to 5 minute mask. So if it's a day that you have an event or something like that and you really need a quick treatment, quick mask to detox your skin or whatever, get away texture and stuff like that, this is actually perfect. I really do like it, so I'm happy I got this. Product is from Lancome, and I don't know how to pronounce French names, so it's the Smoothing and Glow Boosting Liquid Care. Wow, that's great. That's wonderful. First, they're gonna start mowing the lawn because they know I'm filming a gratis haul, because they're haters. I used this once. It's supposed to be like a liquid moisturizer, but you can also use it as a serum. When I did look it up online to see how to use it, because I didn't know exactly what to use it for, a lot of people didn't really care for it because they felt like it wasn't moisturizing enough. However, I love it. It was very moisturizing. I love the way it feels on the skin, so I have actually been loving this. So I did receive a little mini Tatcha. This is an eye cream. They're what is it called? Their eye cream. I forgot what it's called. The tinted eye cream. I got mine in Candlelight. It's a little one, but you really don't need that much eye cream, so this is more than enough. The last bit of skincare items are all from Origins. Origins is very generous. Oh my goodness. Everyone wants to be working in their backyard because I'm filming. So disrespectful. So disrespectful. But we're going to continue. So if you keep hearing banging and lawnmower and what's and not, please ignore it please ignore it if you can. My goodness. Anywho, so I got these moisturizers I received in the past. This one is the Original Skin Matte Moisturizer with Willow Herb. So that's what that one looks like. This one I've been using lately. Oh my gosh, I can't. I shut the windows. Now I'm definitely going to burn in this room. Burn up, I should say, because it's really hot. So this moisturizer I received last year. I gave it to my sister who has very oily skin. She didn't like it, so she gave it back. She used it a couple of times, but it made her skin dry. So I like the texture, I like the way it feels, but this moisturizer I have to use in combination with my serum and a face oil. Or if I don't use a serum, I have to use an oil with it because it's not moisturizing enough. I tried this in the winter and I did not like it. Around here of my face usually is dry in the winter, but normal in the summer. And the rest of my face, T-zone, is oily. So around here felt like it was gonna crack when I used this. It didn't do anything for me. So now in the summer it works, but as I said, I have to use it in combination with an oil or something, and it works well together. So if you have it and you're having issues, try using it, you know, with something else like a lightweight oil or something like that to give you some additional moisture. But they could actually make that a little bit more moisturizing. Like, it is really matte. If you're super oily, then you need this moisturizer, girl, because it's gonna make you really matte. The next one is A Perfect World SPF 40. It's an age defense moisturizer with white tea. I love this moisturizer. I'm actually just about finished with the container that I have. I love this moisturizer. I was actually going to purchase this with my own monies, but I was fortunate to get another one from Origins, and this one is a moisturizer you can use morning and night. I love this moisturizer because it's super hydrating. It just gives my skin a really nice glow, and usually stuff with SPF I break out, but I do not break out with this SPF, and usually it gives me like a thick, heavy feeling white cast. I don't have it with this moisturizer, and that's why I really love this stuff, because it's the first SPF moisturizer I've used that I actually like and my skin likes or love. Okay. Next product from Origins is a Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores. I love getting masks. I love pampering my skin, so I'm always excited to get you know, more skincare products, masks, and stuff like that. Last thing is this Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. I got a little guy. This you're supposed to use AM and PM, and you can use it with a cotton pad or your fingertips. I have not used this yet, so I don't know. I don't feel like I need to use it right now because I have, you know, products that I'm using. I don't like to use too many products at the same time, just so I can see what works for my skin and what don't. So I like to use a certain amount and then I'll move on to the next. So I don't know when I'll be able to give this a try, but if I love it, I'll buy the big one. Okay, that's it for skincare. Now on to the makeup section. I received 3 primers. First primer is the Estee Lauder the Mattifier Shine Control Perfecting Primer Plus Finisher. So mattifying primer. I actually want to use this with the Estee Lauder foundation that I do have, but I have so many primers and I just hate opening up new primers just to try it with something and then just have it sit down. So I'm trying to be consistent with my primers and, you know, finish what I have. And typically, to be honest, I don't really use mattifying primers. I usually give them to my sister because I typically don't use mattifying primers. Or if I do, I usually will have one mattifying primer and I just use it just on my forehead, on my nose on days that it's extremely hot, or if I'm using a more luminous foundation. I prefer, you know, moisturizing primers or smoothing primers or something like that. Next primer is the Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer, and this is from the Rainforest of the Sea collection. This primer I'm super excited to use in the winter time because I love a hydrating primer in the winter months, because as I mentioned, all of this here dry as a desert in the winter, so I am happy I got this. Next is one of my all-time favorite primers, and it is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It's a primer and moisturizer in one. I absolutely love this primer. This primer, it has hyaluronic acid, which really hydrates your skin really well. It's super lightweight, and whenever I wear this primer, my foundation lasts all day, my foundation usually looks really well. I love when my foundation applies on it. I love this stuff. Also from Smashbox, I did receive the Studio Skin 12-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation, and the shade I got is 4.0. I will be doing a review on this foundation sometime in the future. Can't make any promises. I got the Smashbox Cover Shot Matte Eye Palette. I have three altogether, three of the Cover Shot palettes, and this one is just a matte. Just matte, all matte shades. And last from Smashbox, I received the Always On Metallic Rouge Liquid Lipstick. I do not like this at all. It wears terribly on me. I've tried it twice, not this one. I tried the one in the store 2 times, and both times it wore terribly. And I don't know, maybe that formula was, I don't know, but I don't like it. I'm grateful I got it, but so I chose it because I received this one before, and this is the Liquid Metal, the Be Legendary Liquid Metal liquid lipsticks in Brazen Bronze. The formula with this one is amazing. It doesn't move. It's long lasting. It's very comfortable. It doesn't get on my teeth. It doesn't bleed. It's really, really nice. So I thought this was gonna be just as bomb, just in a different shade. No, it's terrible. Not complaining. I'm just saying personally, I don't like it. So last 2 items I got from Too Faced, the Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. This is not my favorite mascara. I tried the regular one years ago and it flaked on me like crazy. I returned it and I said I would never use it again. I haven't tried it since. I've received mascara from Too Faced before. This one, the regular one, and I gave them to my sister. She's fine. She said it works. She doesn't have that problem. So I don't know, maybe in the future I'll try another Too Faced mascara, but I'm not interested in trying it anytime soon. Last thing I got is the Precisely My Brow from Benefit, and this shade is 4.5, the pencil. I've been loving this moisturizer, this brow pencil, mainly on days that I am in a rush. So that's it for my gratis haul, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.